Hey everyone, welcome back to Career Q. If you're struggling to get interviews, chances are your LinkedIn profile isn't working for you. Most recruiters don't post jobs, they search for candidates. And if your LinkedIn isn't optimized with the right keywords, skills, and branding, you're missing out on huge opportunities. Today, I'm breaking down how to fix your profile step by step so recruiters come to you instead of you chasing jobs. You are losing job opportunities because your LinkedIn profile is a mess. Recruiters are searching for candidates like you, but your profile is practically invisible. Today, I'll show you how to fully optimize your LinkedIn so recruiters not only find you, but beg to hire you. In this video, I'm about to drop game-changing LinkedIn hacks that will land you more job offers fast. Number 1. Headline optimization. Stand out in searches. Your LinkedIn headline isn't just your job title, it's prime real estate to grab attention. Make your headline keyword rich so recruiters instantly know what you do. Number 2, summary or bio, your elevator pitch. Most people either leave their LinkedIn about section blank or write a boring essay. Don't just list your experience, tell your career story. Number 3.5, skills and endorsements. Increase your credibility. Did you know the more endorsements you have, the higher you rank in recruiter searches? Add at least 10 in-demand skills for your industry. Get endorsements by endorsing others. Most people return the favor. Pin your top 3 skills so they're visible at first glance. Pro tip: use skills that match job descriptions you're applying for. Number 4, SEO and keyword optimization. Get found by recruiters. If your profile doesn't have the right keywords, recruiters won't find you. Find job descriptions of roles you want. Pick 15 keywords that appear frequently and update your LinkedIn. Number 5, work experience. Stop listing, start selling. Most people write their experience like a job description. Wrong. Number 6, profile photo and banner. First impressions matter. Your profile photo is your first impression. Make it professional, clear, and friendly. Profile. Photo. Tips: bright lighting, clear background, business, casual or industry relevant attire. Banner. Ideas, your industry's theme. A simple call to action. Number 7, call to action, CTA, tell recruiters what to do. If recruiters visit your profile but don't know what to do next, you lose them. Add a strong CTA in your About section. Number 8, open to work. Announce it the right way. If you're job hunting, make it easy for recruiters to know. Turn on open to work, only visible to recruiters. Post an open to work announcement. Fix your LinkedIn now. If you're not getting job offers, your LinkedIn is the problem. Drop your LinkedIn link in the comments and I'll review some profiles in my next video. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more job search hacks. Meet you in the next video.